Hey guys, I just wanted to share this awesome backpack that I recently just got. So here it is, as you can see, it's really large. It can double as a duffel bag. It did come with straps for that. Here's the back hooks. So because the bag is pretty large, it's going to be hard for me to really show you guys. So I'm just going to really point and not open every zipper. But down here opens up to hold shoes. It can hold multiple pairs of shoes because it goes up into the bag and there's a liner here. So whatever you have in the bag is not going to hit your shoes. But there's a specific zipper down here that lets you get into there. And then you have a zipper here, which is actually, that's Joshua, which is actually large enough to hold a laptop. You have a handle here. And then on the sides, you have two zippers. So one right here, which is actually large enough if you open it to hold a very large water bottle. And then same thing on the other side. Right there. I was kind of hoping for something to hold your water bottle on the outside, but I kind of like it that it can go inside. In the back is another sleeve. You can put paperwork in there. You can put your laptop in there. It goes the whole length of the bag. And then the way that the bag opens is on top here. So I'm going to open that. So I have it open, and when you first flip it open, let me try to fix the lighting. There we go. You have a zipper here with some mesh. You can put toiletries in there. It is pretty large. Here's the size of my hand, so you can see how big this is. And then the inside, you're obviously not going to get a good shot of the inside because it's black, but it's really large. It goes as deep as you want it to, pretty much minus wherever your shoes kind of end. So just wanted to show you. I really love this. I fully feel like I could pack a whole week's worth of stuff in here. This thing is really big, as you can see, my hand length. But it's not too big. It still fits on your back just like a regular backpack. So yeah. I'll share the link with you guys.